Hi Sudie, this is Rachel. I was just going to create a quick video to show you how to play Guess Right D16. So you really do need to have two players. So this is not really a game that they can play by themselves without some significant adapting. But the first thing you do is, of course, have your basic cards out, and you have each player turn over two cards. So this player's cards that they're going to turn over is 37, and this player is going to turn over cards 54. And what they're going to do is separately, they're going to create a sheet of numbers. So this is the strategy that was taught in the lesson. So if I have a number divided by 1, that would be a total of 37. So 1 times 37 is 37, 2 times 37 is 74, and so forth. And so you have it all the way down to 9. This is the divisor, and this is the numbers that we're going to kind of try to guess near without going over. All right, I'll tell you about that in just a second, or you probably have already done that in the lesson. And the other player is going to do the same thing with theirs. So the first round, you're going to have this player, they're going to turn over 2 cards. And they say the best way to do it is to have the highest number first. So I picked 65, the 2 numbers. And I'm going to guess how many times 37 can go into 65. Well, I know that this is close to 40, and 40, 2 times 40 is 80, so that's going to be too much. So I'm going to guess once. So now I'm going to take this player will guess once, I guess. And then they're going to take their sheet, and they're going to say, if it's once, yes. If I guessed 2, that would have taken that number to 74, which would be definitely higher than 65. So the good guess is 1. Remember, this is preparing for long division. All right, so let's do another one. Because this player got them all right, they get all of the cards. Now it's this player's turn to use theirs, and it's my turn to guess. So it's their cards, my guess. So I'm going to turn 2 cards over. Oops, I'm supposed to pull out the 10s. No 10s in the deck, by the way. All right, and because 25 or 52, I guess we have the highest one, is lower than this one, I need to add another card. So my number is going to be 525. All right, so I'm going to think, I'm looking at this number and I'm thinking this is close to, this is 540 is 10, right? So I'm going to say 9 because it's not quite 540, which is 54 times 10. So I'm going to guess it's going to be 9. That player takes a look at their chart and says, yes, 9 is it. It is 486 without going over. So I would go ahead and get all of these cards. These cards go into my stack. So really the goal of this game is to try to accurately guess how many what my dividend might be. Let me try one more showing you the wrong answer. Okay, so here I have 37 times 82. Let's say I thought that it would go in there 3 times. Well, 3 times 37 is 111, which is more than 82. So that guess would be too high and it would not work. So these 2 cards then go into the stack because I am only playing with 2 players. Now, if I had a 3rd player playing with me, then that 3rd player could also give a guess to try to get those answers. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.